Guys, I'm out here. I'm about to go make a video of the chicks. And I see the squirrel sitting right next to him, eating something. But yeah, guys, that's a squirrel eating like a nut or something right next to our chicks. Guys, I'm out here, and I just scrape up to him about 15 yards away. So I'll wait here and see if he comes down, or I'll go feed the chicks. Here are the chicks. They're gonna jump out. They're excited to see y'all. Hey, Daddy. Let me hold him. They're getting way bigger.
Hello. I think I'm a little bit poopy because I'm in a poopy cage with a bunch of poopy chickens. Get down, buddy.
They can fly really good, watch.
Get down, buddy. I'm sorry, y'all.
But, yep, those are our chicks. They're getting bigger, bigger, and bigger. I'm gonna show y'all the mama chickens, just to give y'all an update. Here are the chickens. There's the rooster. There are all the chickens, and I can't give y'all an update on the mama. I'm sorry, guys. So, yep. And thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and like this video.
Gotta say bye.